They say the simplest things in life bring the greatest joy. Funny enough, one of those things is right here. Just an egg. Plain, ordinary, but with a little heat it becomes something magical. Think about it. A single egg has fed kings, soldiers, families, and dreamers for centuries. Crack it open, and suddenly you hold a golden treasure, waiting to be transformed. In this pan, it sizzles, it dances. It tells a story of morning sunshine, of mothers cooking for their children, of quick bites before chasing big dreams. And yet, here we are, just you, me, and this fried egg. No rush, no stress, only a reminder that sometimes the smallest meals carry the biggest comfort. So take this simple fried egg, enjoy it, and let it remind you. Life doesn't always need to be complicated to taste good. Maybe you've rushed through countless breakfasts, never stopping to notice the beauty of something this simple. But today, pause, taste. Remember that even in small beginnings, greatness can rise. An egg isn't just food. It's a quiet reminder that even when life cracks us open, we can still transform into something beautiful, golden, and whole. So yes, this is just a fried egg, but maybe, just maybe, it's also the start of your best day yet. So take this simple fried egg, enjoy it, and let it remind you. Life doesn't always need to be complicated to taste good.